Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping on this video. My name is Bubsbee and today I have a wash day video. I'm going to be using a couple of wash day products, so I hope you all enjoy this one. This video is being sponsored by Sally Beauty. Thank you so much. And let's just get started. So in this video, I'm going to be using their Bondbar collection sold exclusively at Sally Beauty. And this collection focuses on a simple 4-step system that's going to get your hair the healthiest and the happiest, all right, by using their bonding technology to repair everyday damage for stronger, shinier hair. So I will make sure to link the collection down below. But to start off, I'm going to use step 3, which is their bonding pre-shampoo. This product can be used 2 to 3 times a week, and this treatment is going to actually reduce your breakage, strengthen your hair, and leave your hair looking and feeling a lot healthier. So I'm making sure to smooth this product throughout my hair strands. I am trying to get it on my new growth as well and really saturate and coat my strands to ensure that I'm getting the benefits from this pre-shampoo. So I really love the consistency of this product. I love that I instantly felt my hair feeling strengthened. This line will ensure that your hair strands are being replenished, that they are being treated well. If you use this system, you can actually get up to 70% in reduced breakage during combing and also 90% improvement in wet detangling. And that's a plus for me because I only detangle my hair when it is wet. So I feel as though my hair is saturated enough with this product. I'm going to leave it on for about 15 minutes, I would say, and then I'm going to rinse my hair out. And this is how my hair is looking after rinsing. I do feel an immediate improvement. Like I said, I feel my strands being strengthened. But now it's actually time to use step 4, and this is their bonding shampoo. This product is going to gently cleanse the hair, it's going to repair it, and it's going to prevent flyaways and frizz. So you guys saw how much I poured in my hand. It created such a great lather. I actually used a little too much, so make sure you use a small amount because this goes a long way. I love that this product was able to gently and easily smooth across my strands while providing a good cleansing for my scalp. I do want to mention that the full collection smells amazing. It smells just like a rainfall. It smells super fresh, which I love. So I'm really just working the shampoo in my scalp, my strands, and getting all that dirt up. And my hair is feeling strengthened, but it's feeling overall moisturized. So I would say this is more of a moisturizing shampoo for me, but it does have that added benefit of those strengthening properties. So, after rinsing my hair out, I have to make sure my scalp is clean. I can get a lot of buildup in the front of my scalp. So I'm just checking and everything looks great. Now it's time for step 5, and this is the bonding conditioner. I like to apply a generous amount because I need to detangle my hair at this step. to ensure I'm getting rid of those shed hairs and any tangles. So as I am applying this all over and making sure to smooth it across each section thoroughly, I will go in with a comb just to ensure the section is fully detangled. Once I've detangled, I will twist the section up just to ensure my hair is not tangling up again. This conditioner is great at detangling because it has a ton of slip. It gave my hair some shine, it gave me restoration for sure, and it did repair my strands from that strengthening and bonding formula. If you do use this conditioner regularly, it will add moisture, produce that great shine, and help you prevent your ends from splitting. If I didn't mention, all the products in the collection are SLS and SLES-free and paraben-free. This collection is actually perfect for all curls and all hair types. After letting this conditioner sit, my hair did feel super soft and fluffy. If I do not feel that after rinsing my hair out, I know something is wrong. So there is one more step in the collection, and this is step 6, and this is their bonding styling cream. Now, this product can be used as a styler or a leave-in, and I prefer to use it as a leave-in just to add some moisture after rinsing that conditioner out. I will not be styling my hair in this video. Like I said, it was just about these wash day products. So I'm just going to quickly apply this styling cream and just braid my hair up, and my hair will be moisturized and soft for the days to come. Overall, I would say my hair felt immediately different after using this for the first time. My hair didn't need a lot of time for these products to work. I felt my strands being strengthened instantly. This system is great at repairing your hair strands. I definitely will be continuing to use this throughout the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned for an update to see my thoughts after using it for some time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out the Bondbar collection sold at Sally Beauty. All links will be down below. Thank you so much, Sally Beauty, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.